guys, so today we're going to be unboxing. So we're going to be unboxing my iPad, and yeah, so I bought the iPad Air. I don't know, I just got all the basic stuff because I'm just using it for notes. And then I got the Apple Pen. And then the iPad brought free AirPods, so I got that, and then I got a case on Amazon. So let's get this started. Okay, so first it just comes like this, iPad Air, whatever. I got it with Wi-Fi. I don't want to do calls or none of that. So, and then it's 64 gigabytes. I still don't know, but whatever. It's this. So, yeah. And here you go. You see. Okay, and then we're gonna open it up. Oh, and here is the pen, and then here are the AirPods. So that's how it all looks. But yeah. So I'm gonna start it. Don't mind my brother and my dog is there, so okay, I'm trying to open it if it wants to. Okay. Ta-da! Oh my god, it's actually big. It's actually big. And I didn't get the Pro because they say that that's like another laptop or whatever. And I already have a laptop and I don't need to do all that stuff on there. So, okay, so it comes with a charger and then that little thingy. Okay, so then it's actually pretty big. Now that I look at it, I had an iPad before. But I lost it. I don't know where it is. But it was definitely not like this big. This is 10 inches, I believe. Yeah, it looks like 10 inches, but that's kind of like my laptop screen. You see, it's kind of. Almost. But yeah, see, I changed it. I got a little case. Finally. But okay, let's open it up. Let's turn it on. And this is what it looks like in the back. Okay, there we go. So we're just gonna let that turn on. And then we're gonna start with the Apple Pencil. How do you open this? Oh, they have this too. Well, if I can do it. Oh, can you get Toby? That's my dog scratching at my door. Okay. Finally, I got it. Okay. So we're just gonna open this. Oh, you pull it. Okay, see? I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, and then I guess you just take it out. Like that. Can you get Toby? What's in here? Oh my god, it brought me another tip. Oh my god, thank goodness. Okay, so I was gonna buy some extra tips, which I think it brings like 6 for $16. It's not bad compared to how much this costs. But this was like $100. But I mean, since I'm gonna use my iPad for notes, I was like, I might as well just get it, cause okay, it's like a little. It's heavier than a normal pen. But see, this is how it looks like. That's a little tip. And then back here is a little pluggy, so you could charge it on your iPad.
You can charge your iPad with it?
No, you can charge this with your iPad. Okay, and then it brings in here another tip. And then it brings this. Oh, okay. So I believe this might be to connect the end of this to a charger. That's nice, so it doesn't use all the battery of my iPad. That's good. Okay, nice to know. All right. And then over here, I got my AirPods. You guys already know what AirPods look like, but I'll just open it, I guess, because it brought it with it. But yeah, that's so nice. Like, it brings AirPods, like free AirPods with it. So
Free?
yeah, free. I could upgrade. I was like, why am I gonna upgrade if I already had AirPods, but I gave it to my brother, and then I'm gonna have these. So if I can open them. Why is it so freaking hard to open? All these packages. Okay, so I finally got it to open. I used a pen because this was the hardest thing ever to open. Everything is, but yes, so it's like this. Pull it out. And there are your AirPods. Now let's see what comes in here because I'm just curious. Nothing. My dog just went under my nightstand. I don't know how this boy fits in there because he's a little thick. No, Maxie. No. He likes to eat everything, like my hair. So yeah. Okay, so you just basically open it. Boom. And you got your AirPods. I love it though. Alright, so basically that's the unboxings. And then I'm gonna play with this a little bit. Already did that. English. What is that?
Oh, you can like if you wanna what's it called?
Okay, so it gives you
Basically,
it gives you the options to quick start. I'm gonna set up manually because I don't want none of this. Do you know the password of the Wi-Fi?
Mm-hmm.
What is it?
You mean?
I can't wait to write on this. This is the new Wi-Fi.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna look at it again. I got it. Okay, I just got seats. I got it.
Okay, so he got it. Continue. Ooh, Touch ID. Yes, baby. Privacy. I'm just kidding. Just gotta place it. I'm just creating my password now. I don't want to transfer nothing. I want to start brand new with this. Okay, so then put your Apple ID, because you have the option to restore from iCloud backup, restore from Mac or PC, move data from Android, don't transfer apps and data. And that's what I don't want to do, because I want to start fresh with this. Since I don't want to have I don't want to have social media on here. I don't want to have nothing, just school stuff. Okay, I'm putting my Apple ID.
What's next? The iPhone 12. It is only for my books.
No, I'm good with my phone. I have the, what phone do I have?
iPhone XR, I think.
I don't know which one I have. I just, before this one I had the 6 and I was fine with it, but it was already like dying after 20 minutes. Not 20 minutes, but like an hour. Because after you use it all the time and then you charge it and then like with it the battery dies. So I just got a new one and I'm fine with it. I don't need another new one. I'm trying to see what my password is for this.
You know your password?
No, I don't. Okay, can you stop licking though?
No, I'm looking. Alright.
A ver.
You transferring it?
Mm-mm. Okay, so I got it because it connected to my Mac, and then I put the code because I didn't know my password. So imagine just talking on this. And I'm gonna put on my iPad my case that I got. So it's this over here. It's like a marbly. Okay, and then you're able to hold. Are you okay? It's fine. So yeah, my iPad just dropped. But what can you do? Okay, so you just bam bam. Like that. And then what's so convenient about this, what I'm saying, is that you can put your Apple Pencil right here. You see? Yeah, you close it. It's pretty cute, you know? And then voila. And then what's nice about this is I can do it like this, you know, to do homework, and then I can write like that if I wanted to. So yeah, I'll link this down below, you know, for whatever. But yeah. Guys, so I figured it out. I was a little confused on how to connect my Apple Pencil to my iPad, and then I was trying to write on Notability because that's the one I have, but I think I'm gonna get Good Notes. And I'm also gonna get like this paper, like what's it called? A screen protector, but it's like a paper-like thing, so it helps you write better. So you just connect this. So basically you just connect your Apple Pencil to that, and then this pops up. Bluetooth pairing request. So you pair. Okay, and then here's Notability. So this is, you see? Oh my god. Alright, so this is the Notability, and this is where all your notes would be. So we're gonna go in here, and then I'm just gonna write a little bit just for fun. I'm just gonna be like, hey, you know, or to do Okay, that was a little ugly. Alright, so to do it's interesting, you know what I mean, but I feel like it's more comfy. So yeah, I'm glad I got this. My cousin, she had the iPad for nursing school, so it helped her a lot. But yeah, so okay guys, so that's the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was basically just an unboxing, and that's it. I'm gonna show a little like clip of like me using the Note app, because that's what I'm using my iPad for. And yeah, so I hope you guys liked the video. Please like and subscribe, and bye.